Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mohsen Kishavarzi, and on this channel I want to take you on a good journey through one of the most beautiful and historic countries, Iran. On this first episode, we are starting together from here in my hometown, the stunning city of Shiraz. Let's start together. Ancient poetry and breathtaking gardens, majestic grounds and hidden natural gems. Shiraz has it all. So buckle up and let's explore the real Iran together. Iran, my country, is full of wonders, from ancient history to amazing wonder nature. So I'm here to show you how attractive and different would be Iran. Let's start. I want to share with you on this channel a special and magic moments, historical monuments and beautiful natural places that many people doesn't know yet. Major mountains next to the sea, culture and customs of Iran is amazing. And on this channel, my purpose is that to show you the wonders of Iran that you have never ever heard, and they are waiting for you to be discovered. I hope this channel will be a bridge to show all beautiness and culture of Iran to entire world. And if you would like to know more about the beautiness and culture of Iran, please follow my channel and watch my videos in the rest. I'm waiting for your suggestions and ideas for my channel. And I named this channel Amazing Surfing in Iran, but I don't really mean surfing in the sea. But of course we have the surfing in Kish Island, but I don't really mean surfing in the sea. I mean that traveling to Iran would be an amazing, enjoyable activity like surfing. And in the end, watch my videos and subscribe my channel, and in the rest I will inform you the real Iran. Thank you for watching. So, wait. I got stress in the first. Take a deep breath and watch the tunnel of lights in Shiraz behind me. It's amazing.